In this video, you will learn how to make fish hydrolyzate. It's a microbial fertilizer that you can make using fish or fish waste. This fertilizer helps to regenerate the soil with microbes and minerals and provides vital nutrients to plants, increasing crop quality and yields. Today, we'll follow the same method that LifeWorks uses to teach trainers who work with farmers and community groups in 5 easy steps.
Today we're making a powerful liquid fertilizer called fish hydrolyzate. It's easy to make, and once you see the results, you'll make it before every planting season. For the equipment, you will need a 20-liter bucket, a knife and chopping board, a stick for mixing, a net to cover your bucket, a piece of string or something else to tie the net onto the bucket. And for the ingredients, you will need a kilogram of fish or fish waste, a liter of sugarcane molasses, and 3 liters of water. We're making 5 liters of the fertilizer. A farmer with 1 acre, which is just under half a hectare, needs 1 liter for a planting season. It's ready in 2 to 4 weeks, depending on the climate. In hot countries, it normally takes 2 weeks. To prepare the fertilizer normally takes about an hour. The rest of the time is for the fermentation process, which the microbes need to multiply. It's very simple. All you have to do is chop up your fish into really tiny pieces. You can use any fish actually. My experience is that the smaller the fish, the better. It's cheaper, it's easier to chop, and when you finish the fertilizer, there's far less bones in your fertilizer. Now I'm going to mix my 3 ingredients into a clear 20-liter plastic bucket. First, I'm going to put in the fish. Next, I'm going to put in the same quantity of molasses. Finally, I'm going to add 3 parts of water. That's 1 part of water. That's my 2nd part of water. And here's my 3rd part of water. To repeat, 1 part fish, 1 part molasses, and 3 parts water. Once I've done that, I'm going to mix and cover with the net and tie the net onto the bucket. Now I will allow this to ferment for 2 to 4 weeks. After 2 weeks, it's ready to be strained. To use it, you need to dilute in water. For 1 jerry can of water, you need 2 capfuls. The rest you can store in an empty water bottle and use it within a year. Now that we've diluted the fish hydrolyzate, we are ready to apply it. We do this 5 times during the season. When preparing the land, we splash it over the ground. When preparing the seeds, we soak them in diluted fish hydrolysate overnight, not more than 12 hours. Then, when we see the tiny plants or seedlings, we apply the fish hydrolysate again. The 4th time, when we see the first flowers on our crop. And finally, when we see the first sign of the crop, such as tiny fruit or vegetables on the plants. To apply it to the growing plants, we can splash it onto the plants using a grass broom, using a backpack sprayer, or simply we pour it around the stem of the plant. Farming is all about finding out what works and what doesn't. At LifeWorks, we train farmers and trainers to test how the microbial fertilizers work on the crops. We suggest you set up a trial plot to see the difference the fertilizers and compost makes. You can also download a data recording sheet from our website.
Today, we showed you how to make a microbial fertilizer using fish or fish waste. Take a look at our other videos to see how you can improve your crop yield with other microbial fertilizers and an organic compost that is ready in just 18 days.